or the other players must also step up. Less than 7 minutes remaining. This is the time for Converge to really make a stop. They have not been successful in the last few possessions.
Datu, nahabol pa ni Diallo. Kaya talagang na-miss ng Converge nung si Diallo nakaupo dahil may 5 fouls. Pero hindi pa rin siya nakakascore since his return. Heading has also been quiet. Baltazar, susubok sa labas. Almost got the 3, pero Santillan pumulot ng rebounds.
Well within this range, but the defense very strong, not just in the interior, they're challenging outside shooters. Yun ang advantage ngayon ng Elastic Painters. Medyo may panic factor na rin itong Converge.
Well, kanina doon sa report ni Ella, di ba, Arana admitted they are a young team, they need that experience. But to get that experience in the further rounds, Coach Archie, kailangan manalo.
Yes, ano yan mag-i-increase ngayon yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili. So si Alex Stockton, we've seen this before.